Beep 2!
There it goes, it's gonna take off. I'm gonna bring it back. It's gonna take off. Oh.
We're having some difficult problems. We're having some
that was
difficult.
A very light crash.
Sorry, we're having difficult problems. This will be fixed in a minute or two.
If I don't step on it by mistake on the way down.
Yeah, if you don't step on it on the way down. Let me show the folks.
Perfect landing.
Perfect landing.
Let's see if I
Look
can
at
take
that
off
landing.
like that. Step back.
Perfect landing. Wait, let me just show the... Yeah, look, that's not what to do when your helicopter's like that. Get in the hand, then do it. If you don't get the music video, if you want to hear the music video of type of it, press 1. Beep.
Oh, it's harder to fly down here.
We're having some difficulties.
No, we're not.
We're having some difficulties.
Slow flyby.
We're having some difficulties with my camera. The cameraman is sick. Dummy. Pop. Gone. Don't you see? The wind took it away. What bad way to land a helicopter. Tilted.
You know why? Because look what happened at the last second. This thing fell off.
Look what happened is
This thing fell off. That was stupid.
3 minutes of filming.
Okay, I can turn
Peanut
it off
butter wiener. Peanut butter.
now. Okay.
Peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly time. Heck no. Heck no. Peanut jelly time. Peanut butter jelly time. Heck no. Heck no. Peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly time. Heck no. Heck no. 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 Peanut butter and jelly time. Peanut butter and jelly time. Peanut and butter and jelly all mixed up together. If you don't get that, it means you just don't are crazy. If you don't get the waste my time, waste me in the time, waste me time, waste my time, waste my time.
What are you doing?
Filming. Waste my time. Waste my
Did you hit stop?
Waste my time. No, it's still filming.